Hi everyone, Mr. Cairns here. Today I'm going to give you a video on how to expand single brackets. So for our first question, if we get given 3 open brackets x plus 4 and the question tells us to expand the brackets or remove the brackets, what we need to do is multiply the number in front by everything inside the brackets. So we've got 3 here, so we're going to want to do 3 times everything within the brackets. And the best way to do that is to draw lines between them. If I draw a line between 3 and x, that's going to be 3 times x. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to add 12. And that is our answer for expanding brackets, 3x plus 12. If we have another question, make it a little bit harder. 3 open brackets 2x plus 4. We now have a coefficient in front of the x that isn't 1. So this is how we're going to want to work it out. Same again, we're going to draw our lines. So 3 times 2x is going to give us 6x. Draw our next line. 3 times 4 is 12. 6x plus 12. That's our answer to this question here for expanding out the brackets. If we now have for our next question x on the outside of our brackets and then 2x plus 4, we now want to multiply everything in the brackets by x. So I'll draw our lines again. X times 2x is going to be 2. X times x will then give us x squared. X times 4 will then be plus 4x. And again, that easy, that is our answer to this question. Stepping it up once again, if we then have 3x and then 2x plus 4 within our brackets, again we want to multiply everything in our brackets by 3x. 3x times 2x, 3 times 2 is 6, x times x would then be x squared. 3x multiplied by 4 is going to give us plus 12x. And that is our answer for that question for expanding out the brackets. And again, stepping it up one more time. If we have a question that's, let's say, 3x, open brackets, 2x plus 4, close brackets, and then another plus 2x, x plus 5. We now want to expand both of these brackets and then simplify it. So same again, I'm going to break it down and do the first half here. Draw our lines, 3x times 2x, 6x squared. 3x times 4, plus 12x. And now for this half, 2x times x is going to be plus 2x squared. 2x times 5 is going to be plus 10x. And now we want to simplify this. So our x squared terms we can add together. So 6x squared plus 2x squared will give us 8x squared. And then our 12x and our 10x we can add together to be plus 22x. And that is our answer for that one. And just one last thing I want to show you is if we have a negative. So if we have our 3x, open bracket, 2x, subtract 4, remembering what we need to do for our subtractions, okay? Same again now, if we start it off, draw our lines, 3x times 2x would be 6x squared. Now 3x times negative 4, a positive times a negative will give us a negative. So 3 times negative 4 is going to give us negative 12. And we just include our x at the end there. Remembering as well that if it's a negative times a negative, it'll be a positive. So if this was, if we just change just now quickly to negative 3x, negative 3 times positive 2 would give us then negative 6x. x times x squared. Negative 3x times negative 4 would then give us positive 12x. And that is how we multiply out single brackets. Thank you for listening.